Hi friends, this is Sirisha and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about the number system in our course of switching theory and logic design. So what is a number system? Number system is used for representing information. The number system has different bases and the most common number systems are decimal number system, binary, octal and hexadecimal. A number system is contains an ordered set of symbols known as digits with rules defined for performing arithmetic operation like addition, multiplication, etc. A collection of these digits make a number which has two parts. First part is integer part. This is the integer part and the second one is the fractional part. And these two parts are set apart by the radix point. So a number system is nothing but a ordered set of symbols which are known as digits, and every digit contains two parts. First is the integer part and the other one is the fractional part, and these two are differentiated by a radix point. Base or radix of a number system. What is the base or a radix of a number system? The base or a radix of a number system is the total number of digits used in the number system. For example, decimal number system has base 10, binary number system has base 2, octal number system has base 8. Decimal number system. So let's first see the decimal number system. Deci means 10. So here decimal number system contains the base 10. It is also called as radix. So base 10 means you have 10 symbols or 10 digits to represent any number in this number system. And these digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 10. So the first series of numbers are 0 to 9, which are nothing but the 10 symbols which we use to represent the numbers. The next second series starts with 1, 0, that is we call it as 10, 11, 12 up to 19. And the third series 21, 22 like that. Next one is binary number system. Bi means 2. Binary number system has base 2. It uses two digits or symbols to represent any number in the system. The two digits are 0 and 1. So in a binary number system, any number is represented by using these two digits only. The first series starts with 0 and 1. The second series number starts with 1 0, 1 1. Third series 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 and so on. The next number system which we are going to discuss is octal number system. Octal number system has base or radix equal to 8. Oct means 8. It uses 8 unique symbols or digits to represent any information in the number system. The basic set of digits or symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. So in an octal number system, you have the numbers starting from 0 to 7. 8 will not be there in an octal number because total number of digits, unique digits we have is 8. So 0 to 7 makes 8 symbols. Right? The next series starts from the first series starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the second series starts with the starting with the 1. So 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 and 1 7. This is nothing but the second series. The third series 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 like that, and the fourth series will be 3 1, 3 2 like that. Okay. The next one more important number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system has base or radix equal to 16. It has base or radix equal to 16. So it has 16 symbols, unique symbols or digits to represent numbers. The first series starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9, and after 9 we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So total 0 to 15. F is 15. So 0 to 15 total makes 16 symbols. So the first series on this number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to F, and the second series is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. Like that it will continue. Okay. So other number system, we will look at other number system. For example, if the base is 4. So you have 4 unique symbols. What are that 4 unique symbols? 0, 1, 2 and 3. So all the numbers in this number system will use only these 4 unique digits. Okay. So the first series will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Second series will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Third series 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and so on. If I'll consider base 5. So I have 5 unique symbols. What are that? 0 to 4. After 4, which number will come? After 4, 1, 0 will come. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then 2, 0. See here, after 4 we will not have 5 because it is a base 5. So 0 to 5 makes 5 basic symbols. Likewise, if I consider base 9, so total 9 symbols I will have. Base 9, total 9 symbols means 0 to 8. 0 to 8 makes 9 symbols. So after 8, I will have 1, 0, 1, 1 up to 1, 8. That is 18. And again 2, 0. So for any number system, if the base is mentioned, you always start with 0 and up to that one number minus 1. Suppose base 4. So 4 minus 1 means up to 3. So 0 to 3. Like if it is base 6, then you will have 0 to 5. The basic set. Then 1, 0, 1, 2. So likewise, we have discussed the number system in this video. In the next video, we will be discussing about the conversion of one number system into the another, which is very important. So please watch that video. And if you have any comments or any queries regarding to this or any other topic, please write in the comment section. Thank you.